Hi, Aunty Headda. All right, so today is day one of the snowstorm here in PA, Pennsylvania. Chunky really wants to go out and play in the snow. So far, I think we've gotten maybe 2 inches. So I didn't go to work today because my foot was hurting. Though my boss is going to think I didn't go to work because of the snow. Now, it wasn't snowing when I got up this morning. As you can see, Chunky really loves the snow. And the birds, the chickens are already in their coop, which is really early for them. But it's so cold out and snowing that they don't want to be out. Because normally when I open the door, they're out squawking. Really? Aunty Headda doesn't want to see you pee-pee. Really? And now you're going to smell it? Go play in the snow. You know you like the snow. It's like 27 degrees out. We're supposed to get 8 to 12 inches by the end of the entire storm, so I don't know. Luckily, I have tomorrow off, so I don't have to go to work. But it's that little teeny tiny snow that you don't see, but it actually puts down quite a bit of snow. So we'll see. Well, you can see the birdies are not even out. Here goes Chunk. She's gonna run by me. And she's off again. Running around in the snow. She's healing up pretty good, so that's why I'm letting her get her little run in. So that's my swing. And that got blown over Thursday or Friday because of the wind that came before the storm. So Dave picked it up for me, luckily. I tried, but it was too wobbly and heavy. Yep, she's just going to keep running around. Here she comes. Here she comes back up. Are you ready to go in? I think she's ready. I'm bringing to see the girls, but the girls are sleeping. Yep, they're sleeping. Okay, come on. You ready, Chunky Butt? Are you ready, Chunky Butt? Look at that little face. Look at that little face. Look at that little face. So, that is my post for today, Aunty Headda, for our snowstorm. And I will show you tomorrow morning how much snow we got. And then tomorrow night, because it's supposed to last until Tuesday. Love you, Aunty Headda. Good night.